Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of the square root of 1 plus x to the power of 2 dx. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution, and we will use about x equal to tan t, dx equal to dt over cosine t square. Now we need to change this integral. We change x into tan t, and that should be about tan t square. Dx we change for this one. Next we have 1 plus tan t square equal to 1 over cosine t square, and we change this one. The square root of 1 over cosine t square, you got about 1 over cosine t. Cosine t multiplied with cosine t square, you got about cosine t to the power of 3. Next, we multiply both sides with cosine t in here, and you got about cosine t to the power of 4. Next, we have cosine t square plus sine t square equals to number 1. So in here we have cosine t to the power of 4. We will change to cosine t square equal to 1 minus sine t square. So in here we will have 1 minus sine t square to the power of 2. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So we will about z equal to sine t, dz equals to cosine t dt. This one we change for z square. This one we change to dz. Next, on denominator we can put 1 minus z square multiplied with 1 plus z square. On numerator we put about 1 minus z square plus 1 plus z square. We know that negative z to the power of 2 plus z to the power of 2, they will cancel together. 1 plus 1 is about number 2, so we put about 1 over 2 in here. One minus z to the power of 2 divide 1 minus z to the power of 2, you will got about 1 over 1 plus z to the power of 2, and we got about 1 over 1 minus z to the power of 2. Next, in this one we put about 1 minus z multiplied with 1 plus z. In here we have 1 minus z plus 1 plus z, because we have number 1 multiply number 1 plus number 1, you will got about number 2, so we put about 1 over 2 in here. Next, 1 minus z divide 1 minus z, you will got about 1 over 1 plus z. Similar for 1 plus z in here, we divide with 1 plus z you will got about 1 over 1 minus z. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over 1 plus z square, you will got about r tan of z. The integral of 1 over 1 plus z, you will got about ln, that's about natural log in here. Inside the absolute value of 1 plus z, we have the negative because we have the minus sign next to the z, so you got about ln of the absolute value of 1 minus z. And now we need to change z back to s. About z, we change for sine t. About t, we need to change back in here. T equal to r sine of s. So we put in here. And that's it, the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.